Hi folks. Often sought but seldom found, homes like this are in popular demand. Elevation and look at those stunning views. Orchestrated to perfection, we have brick and linear, low maintenance in mind. This home is perfect. 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, stunning outdoor living. Come on and take a look. Well, there you have it folks. They say a picture tells 1,000 words, and this home has got an amazing story. It's presented beautifully and it's waiting ready for you. I'm Blair Alabaster from Property Brokers. Give me a call to arrange your private viewing, otherwise I'll see you at the open home.